Operations Management in Tourism and Hospitality. Role of PMS, CRS, GDS, and OTAS. Good day everyone. Today I will present how operations management is applied in tourism and hospitality businesses using modern systems such as PMS, CRS, GDS, and online travel agencies. What is operations management? Planning and managing service processes. Efficient delivery of hospitality services. Coordination of people, technology, and resources. Operations management refers to managing daily activities to ensure services are delivered efficiently. In tourism and hospitality, it focuses on reservations, guest service, and coordination between departments. Importance in hospitality industry. Ensure smooth hotel and airlines operations. Improve guest satisfactions. Reduce operational errors. Manage resources efficiently. Operations management is important because it helps business avoid mistakes, improve service speed, and maintain customer satisfaction. Common operational problems: overbooking, double reservations, poor coordination, inventory issues, customer complaints. Without technology, managers face challenges such as overbooking and miscommunication between departments. Property Management System, PMS. Check-in and check-out management, room assignment, billing and payments, housekeeping updates. A property management system is mainly used in hotels to manage guest information, room availability, and payments in real time. Computer Reservation System, CRS. Central Booking Database, real-time availability, stores guest records, prevents double booking. CRS acts as the central reservation system where all bookings are recorded and synchronized across booking channels. Global Distribution System, used by travel agencies, flight and hotel inventory access, real-time pricing, worldwide booking network. GDS connects airlines, hotels, and travel agencies, allowing agents to book travel services globally. Online travel agencies, OTAS. Online booking platforms, price comparison, guest reviews, online payment system. OTAS allow customers to book hotels and travel services online, helping businesses reach more customers worldwide. Booking process flow. Guest, OTA, CRS, PMS, hotel operations. When a guest books online, the OTA sends booking information to the CRS, which automatically updates the hotel's PMS. Hotel booking via OTA. Search destination and dates, select room type, confirm booking, availability updates automatically. Here we can see how customers book rooms online. Availability updates automatically once a reservation is confirmed. Airline booking via GDS. Search flights, compare prices, confirm a reservation, issue tickets. Travel agents use GDS system to access real-time flight schedules and pricing before issuing tickets. PMS simulation. Guest, Juan de la Cruz. Room assigned 203. Status. Occupied system updates. Housekeeping and billing. Once booking information reaches the PMS, the system assigns rooms and updates housekeeping and billing automatically. How system help managers prevent overbooking, faster service, accurate data tracking, better coordination between departments. This system automate tasks and reduce human error, making operations faster and more reliable. Advantage and challenges. Advantage: automation, efficiency, improve guest experience. Challenges: cost, staff, training, technical issues. Although technology improves efficiency, businesses must invest in training and system maintenance. Conclusion: technology improves operations management. System support booking accuracy, enhance guest satisfaction. In conclusion, PMS, CRS, GDS, and OTAS play a vital role in modern tourism and hospitality operations by improving efficiency and customer experience.